This is Summer Huntington of Steel Mace Vinyasa and Shala, and today I'll be demonstrating a loaded beast into a lifting pattern with a steel mace. There's a bodyweight exercise called the loaded beast. It kind of looks like a quadruped position. You can enter getting into it from a flat-footed squat. Place your hands forward, see that your wrists are directly under the shoulders, knees are directly under the hips. From here, if you have the strength and mobility to hold yourself up, you can press your hips all the way back towards your heels, bending your knees a lot, packing the shoulders, and then return back to that hovering quadruped position. Corkscrew the eyes of the elbows forward, sit your hips back, bending at the knees all the way, and then find scapular depression here, pressing the shoulders down hard until your lats turn on. From here, you can step your right leg forward, pull your body up into a tactical lunge position. Hinge forward, place the hands to the earth, load your beast, step forward with the opposite leg. Notice my legs are 90 degrees. I can come up into a vertical stance. So this requires a lot of body weight control, a lot of strength in the arms, definitely a lot of strength and endurance in the quads. When you're ready to try the progression, there's about 4 different progressions that I'll take you through, but make sure that you can at least do the loaded beast with your body weight only before adding the mace. All right, so here's the progression. I'll do 2 reps of each thing, kind of walking you through, just naming each of the exercises. You can try it out at home. All right, under over grip, globe on the left side. Mace switch, under over grip, mace globe on the right. From here, come into your squat, place your mace on the ground, and then hands directly behind the mace globe. From here, step right leg forward, under over grip, rip, crush, firm your back glute. Place the mace back to the ground, loaded beast. Step forward right leg, under over grip, rip crush, mace switch, mace globe on the opposite side, preparing to switch sides. Loaded beast, step forward left leg, under over grip here, rip crush, place the mace to the earth, sit back into the heels, step forward, lift the body, prepare for blocking. Mace switch. Mace now comes to the right side, loaded beast, step right leg forward. This time, hold your tactical lunge, press the mace up into a blocking position, pull the mace back down, flip the handle down, loaded beast. Right foot forward, under over grip. Hold steady, block, back down, mace switch. Bring the mace globe to the other side, preparing to go to left side. Left leg forward, hold, block, come back down, mace to the floor, load that beast. Sit back, under over grip, hold steady in the legs, block. Mace switch. This time, loaded beast. Step forward from your tactical lunge, straighten the legs as you come up into the block. Pull back down to the tactical lunge, flip the handle down, hands pressing to the floor, load that beast. Step forward right leg, under over grip, block, come down, mace switch. Slowing down a little bit here. I might change angles so I can show you a slightly different angle as well. Load, step forward left leg, find your block, come back down, flip the handle down, straighten the arm, hinge with a flat back, load that beast, step forward, block, straighten the legs, come back down. Last progression of the primal movement. Lift, step forward. This time press into a warrior 1 position. Pull back to a tactical lunge. Hinge forward, mace to the earth, loaded beast. From the side. Back foot comes down. Block in your warrior 1. Come down, mace switch. Now the globe is on the left. We step back into our loaded beast. Step forward with left leg. Spiral back foot down, block in a warrior 1. Notice I'm pulling the mace back down as I lift my back heel. Hinge with control. Mace to the earth. Loaded beast. Warrior 1. Hold. Loaded beast. And come on up. Inhale through nose. Exhale. Inhale. Pause at the top of the in-breath. Exhale. The chug breath will bring your heart rate back down, especially after doing cardiovascular conditioning. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So, after you're finished studying those 2 primal movement patterns and conditioning them with repetitions, we had lifting of the body, and then we had blocking with the mace, and then placing back down, returning back to a lift. When you drill it repetitively with precision, with control, with stability, and really understanding the primal movement patterns that you're training, then the training session takes on a whole new meaning. So try it out, exploring primal movement patterns. You can expect more of this on my YouTube and also in my online programs, as well as my retreats and workshops.